they think it is. Obviously, they think it's something. Maybe
Really?
it's the lights.
Why is your shirt all wiggly?
What do you mean?
Like the letters are like moving. You know, they're like
Because you've had too much beer.
weird.
You're drunk. That's why.
I am not. No, they're written weird. What are you doing, Jeff?
I'm filming everybody.
Why?
Why not?
Oh no!
I'm putting this on YouTube. I'm putting
Ordinary moment on a planet.
I'm putting this on YouTube.
Am I like a total slack off?
There's Lily's tent, her palace. This is me where I'm sitting with the boys. Our river. What? Put them in the drink one.
Yeah? Do you want to go to the bathroom? Yes, I do.
I'm sorry, I'm being inappropriate.
What did you say they put in it?
This ingredient called isinglass. It's the bile from a sturgeon. They use
Bile
it
from a sturgeon.
For clarification.
That's what they put in Guinness and Bass here in the States.
And
Again, that means I have to drive.
Again.
Why did they do that?
To make it clear, it's because it's like
You only put a few briquettes on the bottom, like 8 or 9. You put 20 on the top. So I estimated based on the size of the charcoal chunk. 30 minutes. I'll check it at 25. You just take a pine needle, stick it in. What you're doing is you're having radiant heat, just like an oven. You only put few on the bottom because it tends to burn off the bottom. You put more on the top and it radiates around.
That's cool.
You can cook, and we're doing a giant chocolate chip cookie cake for lunch tomorrow.
I'm used to a different type of Dutch oven. Alright, so here's Leah getting some dishwater.
The little kids are eating mac and cheese. Is that okay?
Whoa! Whoa! Oh my God!
I don't keep kosher. Ian knows that. Yeah.
Does it have to be sideways, Jeff?
It does.
You have
Oh,
to
no.
bring your own drinks. Go get
Give
your
me
own
a
drinks.
cup. Give me a cup.
Bring our own drinks. I think we bought root beer.
Oh, go get the root beer.
Yeah, let's go get the root beer, Mark.
Oh my gosh, that looks good, Jeff.
Dun dun dun. It's a little.
It takes time. It was just upset, you know.
It was just upset. That's right. Dun 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 dun.
We don't have any milk,
Hey,
do we?
you need to take care of your dog.
Leah, let me have another
You
cup.
can't take care of him over there.
Brian, just let her go.
All right, go ahead, go.
Sarah's got
We're gonna wait
Bella.
till
I mean,
we-
yeah, Bella, you've got Sarah. Don't even start it, okay?
Oh yeah, baby.
But Sarah, don't undo that. Okay, I'm gonna stop.
Okay.